Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making a nutritious, delicious protein shake, great for after those gym workouts and a tasty treat for those looking for something sweet. So if you want to hear more about this and get this recipe, continue watching the video. You're going to need a blender, some protein, the ISO 100, dramatized, and today the flavor we are going to use is gourmet vanilla. Strawberries, frozen strawberries preferably if you can. Get everything frozen because it's just going to make a better smoothie in my opinion, but do what you like. I got my frozen bananas. If you don't like frozen bananas, you can go ahead and use regular bananas, and some almond breeze. This is what I like to use as my liquid. However, when I don't have the almond breeze, I do go ahead and just add a little bit of water instead. It still mixes well and makes a great smoothie for those of you who don't have the almond breeze almond milk. I kind of eyeball everything, so I'm putting my cup there so you can see about how much of everything I put in. Open up my milk, shake it up, and then shake your milk because you're supposed to. Shake your milk. This is about how much I'm gonna put in. So that's like almost at 4 milliliters of liquid. I might add more later depending on how rich it is or how thick it is. I'm just trying to get it to my liking for this because I don't want to do too much. I put like half a banana. I already have them pre-cut, so I just bloop half a banana. If you like more banana, feel free to add more banana. And for my strawberries, I just drop as many strawberries in there as I would like. These are my frozen strawberries. The strawberries really give it a nice color and make you feel fancy. The next thing I do is add in 1 full scoop of the protein. I add in some collagen. Collagen peptides is great to add in your smoothie, so I go ahead and just add a scoop. And if you have any other supplements or anything like that that you add in your smoothie, this would be a good time to go ahead and add it in. Then I just screw it on. Then I'm gonna get my my smoothie, shake it up. I'm just helping out the blender a little bit, and then blend your smoothie. Go ahead and add a little bit more milk. I don't like to overdo it, but I don't want not enough for my liking. Like I said, do it to how you like your smoothies. I like mine not too thick, but not too watery. Help the blender out a little bit, shake it up, put it back in the blender. Now the smoothie is done. This is what it looks like. I'm about to open the lid. This is what it's looking like on the inside. This is about how I like my smoothies, and you see how you didn't need to do too much or put too much in to get a good amount of smoothie. It's filled about right here. So this is going to keep me full until I eat my next meal. I used to go to Smoothie King and get the Hulk strawberry, but it was just getting too expensive to keep going and getting that, so I was looking for an alternative, and this tastes just as good. And this is something that I can make whenever I feel like it. I don't have to drive 20 minutes to Smoothie King. This container comes with about 24 servings per container, and the serving size is 1 scoop. Calories per serving is 110. So, and then I'm just going to go down to the total sugars. We have less than 1 gram of total sugars. Protein, 25 grams, of course. You get some calcium in here, 6% of your daily value here, 4% of your cholesterol here, your daily value, and the sodium, and potassium here at 2% with 100. I just want to add in that this product tastes amazing to me. This is my protein of choice when I have to reach for one. The flavors will vary. I have other flavors. If you guys will want me to do reviews on the other flavors I have, let me know in the comments. I have some recipes that I like to use as my go-to after the gym, and they are bomb. This recipe, bomb. It is so good, it's smooth, it dissolves nice, and I just couldn't ask for a better tasting quality product. I hear a lot of women say that they don't want to drink protein shakes because they are on a weight loss journey. Well, I am here to tell you that that will not impact your weight loss journey, because the way you lose weight is eating in a calorie deficit. Another thing that I would recommend is going to see a nutritionist, and also possibly getting a bod pod. This will give you a clear indication of your body and your physique and where you stand, and then they can also guide you to help you reach your fitness goals. Do what works for you and for your body. If this is something you enjoy, add it to your lifestyle, add it to your routine. If not, just go without it. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead, leave me a like, share, or comment down below. And as I always say, it don't cost to help the boss, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching my video. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. First, we're gonna start with some frozen bananas. These ones are nice and not frozen. So we're gonna get some frozen bananas. I need a towel. Hey, can you help me open this? I don't know why I can't get it open. Thank you. See you soon.